Hey guys, welcome back. So here is a job that we've done a couple times, never filmed it. This is one of the worst ones that I've seen. You can see this chain with these bars welded in here. We've got bars scattered all over the ground. We've got wood chips everywhere. We've got bars in the wood chips. Got bars over there. We got bars over here. So this is what happened. This is what it's supposed to look like. This bar gets turned with hydraulic motors. Turns a big gear. Turns a little bar. They load this thing up with wood chips. Pulls it out. Pulls it to the end. That apparatus right there, hydraulic motor, spins, spreads chips out, and you can see it spreads them out like that. They grind them up, make a big pile. They load them up in that thing, and then they drive them around and spread the chips out. Seems simple enough. Well, one thing goes wrong. You can see there's no way that guy is going to be able to tell if something's going wrong back there. You can't see it, you can't hear it. There's no way. It's a giant dust cloud. So what happened? Well, this chain is getting wore out, and basically pin pulled through, bent the links over. Well, hydraulic power, the rest is history. We're gonna try to get these chains sorted out. Probably have to add in a new link here and there, and then pretty much weld all new bars in. All right, let's get to it. Here, cut this one. There we go. That's how to remove a bad bent tube. One more to go. We've got this side sorted out here. Got the bad sections cut out. Got it bolted together. And then we have a little bit of extra chain here that we can make up for the difference. We need a couple links here and there. So we're gonna count the chain. We're gonna count the one that's in there, and then we're gonna count each end of this one to make sure that they are all exactly the same amount of links. You can kind of see how that works. We're still counting the links right now. We're off only one link on that one, like per side. One side has one less link. So now we just have to match that one to however many links from this one, and then we can install it, and then we get to weld all the bars on. probably go through and change some of these ones that are bent, like this one coming up right here. That looks like that's gonna be a problem one. This one might be a problem one too, right there. It just went over. So after all of the counting, you got to add 2 links to this side, 1 link to that side, and they will all be exactly the same. Yay, then we get to cut all these out of all fresh material. Luckily, we have a nice carbide saw. Make quick work of that. All right, we're gonna cut those links out of there, out of the extra piece, and get it bolted on. Okay, so we got the chains all sorted. So we decided it would be easier to drive the tractor right over the top of these chains, and then we could just lift this up straight up with the crane and push it straight up in there versus trying to shift this chain over, which would be all like loose and funky. Hopefully this will work a little better this way. Perfect. Now, just put the truck right here, pick this up with the crane, extend out, drop it down, feed it through the bottom, connect it. Hopefully it's that simple. We'll see. You have to push on that. It won't let me, yeah. Yeah, this white stuff is slippery. All right, this is kind of hard to do with one hand. I'm gonna help him get these chains on there. Is that gonna work? Oops, is that too far? Is it caught?
I think so.
Okay. It's caught in the front. So we started feeding it under there. Obviously, it got a little bit heavy with all the weight and all the friction. So we ended up putting mule tape around that, and then I just wrapped it around my vise and drove forward real slowly, and it just, everything fed perfectly through there. Unfortunately, I didn't get it on video, but as you can see, now we got her strung through, get it bolted up, get some tension on the chain, and start welding in those pieces. We got it on there, got the tensioner snugged up a little bit. Let's see how it goes around here, how it looks. Looks like they're tracking fairly straight so far. All right, we're gonna run this around until we get to the bars, and then we'll start welding. All right, we got all those on there. You can see we just got our basic just wire feed weld there. This is a factory one. Looks pretty much just like what I did. All right, well, we're gonna get cleaned up here and let these guys get back at it. I think they're at lunch. As soon as they get back, they can start running 2 machines again. So that's that. So look at the side of it. If you can see I know everybody's always curious about all of the equipment, the whole part of it. You can see the PTO drive line comes out, shaft runs all the way down through multiple bearings all the way to the back, which spins the pump back there. It's kind of interesting how it works. And you got that's how you set your tension. Right here, these just spin on that bar. You know, it's a weird design, but that's how they do it. All right, well, that's it. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next one.